The Olympic Games are a monumental international sporting event held every 4 years, divided into summer and winter editions. They trace their origins to ancient Greece, where the first games were held in Olympia around 776 BC to honor Zeus. The modern Olympics were revived by Pierre de Coubertin, leading to the inaugural Games in Athens in 1896. Key aspects: Summer Olympics. History and evolution. The Summer Olympics have evolved significantly since their modern inception in 1896. Initially featuring just 13 sports, they now encompass over 30, including traditional events like athletics and swimming, as well as newer sports such as skateboarding and surfing. Global reach. These games are a global showcase for athletic prowess, featuring over 200 countries competing across a wide range of disciplines. They highlight individual and team sports, emphasizing both personal achievement and national pride. Cultural impact. The Summer Olympics foster a sense of global unity and cultural exchange. The event is a platform for athletes to achieve their personal best while promoting international friendship and understanding. Winter Olympics. Origins and development. The Winter Olympics began in 1924 and focus on sports conducted on snow and ice. Events such as skiing, snowboarding, ice hockey, and figure skating test athletes' skills in challenging conditions. Advancements. Over time, the Winter Games have grown to include new sports and disciplines, reflecting advancements in winter sports and changing viewer interests. The Games now feature sports like snowboarding and freestyle skiing, showcasing a blend of tradition and innovation. Impact. The Winter Olympics emphasize endurance, precision, and speed. They also serve as a stage for showcasing winter sports and inspiring athletes and fans alike. Host cities. Selection process. Cities worldwide compete to host the Olympics through a rigorous bidding process managed by the International Olympic Committee (IOC). This process evaluates a city's ability to provide the necessary infrastructure, security, and services for the event. Economic and social effects. Hosting the Olympics often brings significant economic benefits, including job creation, increased tourism, and infrastructure improvements. It also provides a platform for promoting the host city's culture and fostering international goodwill. Olympic symbols. Motto. The Olympic motto, Citius, Altius, Fortius, Faster, Higher, Stronger, captures the essence of the Games, pushing the boundaries of human performance and striving for excellence. Rings and emblem. The 5 interlocking rings represent the unity of the 5 continents, Africa, the Americas, Asia, Europe, and Oceania, and symbolize the global nature of the Games. The Olympic emblem, including the rings and the Olympic flame, conveys the spirit of the Games and their origins. Torch relay. The torch relay, which begins in Olympia, Greece, and travels to the host city, represents the continuity of Olympic traditions and the global unity of the Games. It symbolizes the journey of the Olympic spirit across the world. Ceremonies and traditions. Opening ceremony. The opening ceremony is a grand celebration of the host nation's culture and heritage. It includes artistic performances, the Parade of Nations, and the lighting of the Olympic cauldron, marking the official start of the Games. Closing ceremony. The closing ceremony concludes the Games with festivities, including performances and the formal handover of the Olympic flag to the next host city. It reflects on the achievements of the Games and celebrates the shared experiences of athletes and spectators.